Kill cockroaches with just water. Safe and non-toxic. Hello, nice to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. To kill cockroaches, you don't need toxic drugs or dangerous chemicals. With just a handful of simple laundry detergent, mixed with a safe and harmless solution, the cockroaches will disappear overnight. There is a folk saying, if you see one cockroach in your house, there are probably hundreds more lurking in the dark. These cockroaches are very cunning, like to hide in dark and damp places and reproduce extremely quickly. If you just try to kill them one by one, you will waste time and never get rid of them all. But don't worry. Today, I will share with you how to get rid of cockroaches quickly, neatly, effectively, right at home. A family member shared a cost-effective, non-toxic, harmless, effective, and convenient method to kill cockroaches. Just sprinkle a handful of laundry detergent into water and leave it overnight to kill all cockroaches. If your home is also being bothered by cockroaches, follow these steps to easily get rid of them. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Method 1. First, prepare a handful of washing powder and pour it into a large basin. Then add enough water to the basin. The reason for adding more water is to ensure the detergent can dissolve completely, achieving the best results. Next, use your hands to quickly stir the solution in the basin. During stirring, the detergent quickly dissolves in water and countless tiny bubbles begin to appear. Continue stirring until lots of dense bubbles form. These bubbles are smooth and firm, indicating that the solution has been successfully mixed. Many people may wonder when seeing this, why is detergent used to wash clothes to kill cockroaches? Actually, there are many ways to get rid of cockroaches. Cockroaches' breathing is completely different from humans. They do not breathe through their mouths, but rely on the breathing holes in their abdomens to exchange gases. So how do detergent and water treat cockroaches? Don't worry, read on. When the detergent meets water, it quickly dissolves and creates countless small bubbles. These bubbles are the secret weapon to kill cockroaches. We just need to take a towel and soak it really wet. Soak a cloth in the detergent solution. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Then use this cloth to carefully wipe every corner of the kitchen. In the house, the kitchen is often the place where cockroaches are most rampant. The area around the kitchen has been covered with grease for a long time. Leftover food is also easily left behind, providing cockroaches with an abundant food source. Corners with lots of furniture piled up are dark and poorly ventilated, creating ideal hiding places for cockroaches, as well as places that are difficult to clean every day. These clean corners have become bases for cockroaches. But now you don't need to worry anymore. We just need to carefully wipe the kitchen counter with a cloth soaked in the solution. The way cockroaches breathe is very special. They rely on air valves along the sides of their abdomens to breathe. When the cockroach's abdomen comes into contact with the detergent solution, a series of reactions occur that kill it. The surfactant in the detergent is like a blade that can quickly destroy the oil layer on the cockroach's abdomen. This oil layer is very important. It not only keeps the body moist, but also protects the breathing valves. Once destroyed, the detergent solution will penetrate inside. At the same time, the solution will quickly form a smooth film on the cockroach's abdomen. This film is like a chain surrounding the cockroach's abdomen. If the breathing valves are blocked, preventing air from entering, the cockroach will suffocate. Notably, cockroaches have a terrifying habit of eating their own kind. When one dies from exposure to detergent solution, others will be attracted to eat the body. During that process, the detergent solution will enter the bodies of other cockroaches or stick to their abdomens, thereby affecting more cockroaches, causing damage to the respiratory system. This way, we can take advantage of the cockroach's own habits to effectively kill the entire colony in one go, completely solving the problem of cockroaches in kitchen crevices, under cabinets, around the sink, and in corners with piled-up items. During the cleaning process, make sure that the detergent solution is evenly applied to the surface of these areas. Once the cockroaches crawl over, the bubbles will block the breathing valve in their abdomen, preventing them from breathing, thereby killing them. In addition to cleaning areas where cockroaches often appear, cleaning the floor with detergent solution is also an effective way to completely eradicate cockroaches. We dilute the detergent solution on the floor. Then start from the corners of the room and pull the mop in order so that the floor is evenly soaked with the solution. Pay special attention to the hidden corners of the room. These are often places where cockroaches hide and breed, such as under the sofa, under the bed, and between the cabinet and the wall. During the cleaning process, the detergent water can penetrate into every crevice and corner. Detergent contains boric acid during the manufacturing process, which is an extremely toxic ingredient to cockroaches. As cockroaches crawl across floors covered with laundry detergent, boric acid gradually seeps into their bodies through the hairs on their legs. Once cockroaches come into contact with or ingest boric acid, their respiratory systems will be damaged and they will suffocate within 2 to 3 days. Some people worry that the boric acid in the solution will lose its effect when the floor dries. In fact, there is no need to worry. Even when the water evaporates, tiny boric acid particles remain on the floor. In daily life, cockroaches will still come into contact with them, continuing to exert their effect of killing cockroaches. Regularly cleaning the floor with detergent water can kill cockroaches for a long time, inhibit their reproduction, and gradually eliminate the risk of cockroaches in the house. Method 2. Trap cockroaches with beer. Cockroaches get drunk on the smell and can't get out. Cut the plastic bottle in half, about 1/3 of the way down from the top. Turn the bottle upside down like a funnel, with the mouth of the bottle facing inward. Tape the two parts together. Pour a little beer, about 3/5 cm, into the bottom of the bottle. Place traps where cockroaches often appear, under cabinets, kitchen corners, near drains. Do not place traps where children or pets can easily reach them. The simple ways above are sweet traps to trick and kill cockroaches. Method 3. Cockroach trap with bread plus baking soda. Prepare a piece of bread. Tear the bread into small pieces. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Sprinkle baking soda evenly over the bread. Add a little sugar or honey to attract cockroaches. Mix well. can soak in a little water to soften and make it smell better. Pour mixture into small bowls, bottle caps, or place directly on cardboard. Spread the mixture evenly on the cardboard. Place in places where cockroaches often appear: under the stove, corner of cabinets, near the drain. Cockroaches like the sweet smell of bread plus sugar, so they will eat it right away. When eaten, baking soda meets the gastric juice in the cockroach's stomach to create CO2 gas, causing the cockroach's stomach to swell, causing digestive disorders and death. Have you remembered all the above content? Today's video will stop here. If you find the content useful, remember to like and share to help more people. Thank you for your support. See you in the next video.